Let's reset Instagram search suggestions. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. And the first thing you can notice, if you tap on the search icon at the very top, will be your search history. The first thing we need to do is clear out your search history so that doesn't influence your search suggestions going forward. So I can either tap on the little X or I could hit see all and clear all here. Now that they're all wiped out, you'll be able to see if I start typing into search like surf, you can see it still pops up with search suggestions. It still includes what it recommends I should go to. However, we can remove the personalization of this and just set it back to just the default just by resetting that. So let's go back out of here, and instead of that, we're going to go into your settings. Within the settings, a brand new feature allows you to manage this in your content preferences. You can see reset suggested content. Want a fresh start? We can suggest posts, reels, etc. based on factors that you follow and like, and reset everything. All you need to do is hit reset suggested content, and then everything will be back to just the default when you search or explore.